Hello friends, today we are tracing the history of civil services of India. The covenanted civil services were started by East India Company when they were de facto rulers in parts of India in the year 1757. After Lord Macaulay's report of the Select Committee of British Parliament, the concept of a merit-based civil services was introduced in India in the year 1854. The service came to be called the Imperial Civil Service. Later, it came to be called the Indian Civil Services. Chaired by Sir Charles Aitchison, the Aitchison Commission in 1886 recommended that Indians also get employed in public services in the year 1886. Islington Commission suggested that 25% of the higher posts be filled by Indians. It also suggested that recruitment to higher posts should be done partly in India and partly in England in the year 1912. The Indian Civil Service exam was held in India for the first time in the year 1922. All Indian services were designated as Central Superior Services in the year 1924. Under the chairmanship of Sir Ross Barker, the Public Service Commission of India was established on October 1, 1926. Because of the non-availability of Europeans, the number of Indians appointed to the Indian police increased in the year 1939. The ICS became the Indian Administrative Services after independence. On January 26, 1950, with the inauguration of the Constitution, the Federal Public Service Commission came to be known as Union Public Service Commission, that is called UPSC. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.